Today I'm at Dig It Nurseries here in Phoenix. Never been here before, so I want to see what they have. Let's go take a look.
I've heard about this place, but I've never been here before. So I just wanted to take a look around and show you what stood out to me. If you like these kind of exploring plant videos, go ahead and subscribe. It really does help out my small channel. Also, leave a comment and any suggestions you may have for me. Right away when you walk in, it's a little different than some of the other nurseries I've been to. This is one of those places where it's not packed with everything, but you'll see a few things here and there that catch your eye. Nothing crazy, but still worth walking through. I did notice they have a steady flow of traffic, but for me, compared to other nurseries I've shown, this one didn't have as much that really stood out, but people were still coming in, so it's definitely a popular spot. This is the one that really caught my eye. A little pricey, but I found it to be a beautiful plant. And don't get me wrong about this place. It's decent, just not a huge selection. So this is the indoor plants. Now let's take a look at what they have outside. So they actually had a few unusual outdoor plants I've never seen before. And I really did enjoy the outside atmosphere. It was quite nice. But really it depends on what you're looking for. Everybody's tastes are different. So yeah, this is Digga Gardens here in Phoenix. Not the biggest selection I've seen, but still a place people come to. That's why I like visiting these different nurseries and bringing you along with me to see what's out there, who has what, and sometimes who's doing it better. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're wondering where I'm going next, hopefully somewhere near you. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.